everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel and happy Saturday. I hope everybody had a really amazing week. It is about that time in the week when we dive into my bin of goodies and we talk about what I have been getting through over the last week. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start out with non-wax products. So we got through a Honeymoon Hideaway bath bomb here and it is delightful. I love our bath bombs. They are so lovely and I'm not really a bath taker, but these are so beautiful. I love how moisturized they make your skin feel. They don't leave any weird rings around your tub. They don't stain your tub in any kind of way, but these are just really nice. So if you feel like pampering yourself, these are available for $8. This actually was added to the clearance section when the clearance section was newly updated. So I grabbed a couple of these and this is just so pretty. So, and this turned the water blue, but it only stains the water. It doesn't stain the tub. It doesn't stain your skin. There's no weird sparkles that are left everywhere. It's just, it's a very clean product. So I love this so much. Had it in Honeymoon Hideaway, got through that. Love that. Okay, so let's talk about wax. So I got through one of the brand new fragrances, Candied Cranberry Pecan. Oh my word, you guys. So good. So good. So good. Okay, I actually did a little bit of mixing with this as well. So I didn't mix in the same warmer. I mixed throughout the warmers downstairs. So in every other warmer, I had the Candied Cranberry Pecan. And then in the other alternating warmers, I had Sugar Cookie. I have decided each week I need to get through some of my bricks. So that way it'll kind of help me get through my bricks. I love bricks. I think they are amazing. If you can see the size difference, it's a huge size difference. There are 5.5 bars in one brick. So it's fantastic. These are available through the Scentsy Club. Generally, during the holidays, Scentsy will run a holiday brick event. We don't know as consultants, nothing has been announced just yet. I'm just crossing my fingers that hopefully we will have a holiday brick event this year. We just don't know any dates or anything like that. So, but if you are subscribed to the Scentsy Club, you do have the option of picking up a couple of bricks, as many bricks as you like, through the Scentsy subscription. So that's a way that you can do that. It's not available in every single scent, only like the top favorite scents. So I have this in Sugar Cookie and I felt like it went really well with Candied Cranberry Pecan. So good. Oh my gosh. So the Candied Cranberry Pecan is just, it's a sweet cranberry, but it's less fruity because you get that nutty pecan note. Oh, it's so good and it's slightly warm and nutty. So I felt like it went really well with the Sugar Cookie. And the Sugar Cookie is just exactly what you would expect. It's a staple in our house, hence why I have it in a brick. It's just a rich, sugary Sugar Cookie. That's what it is. It's great on its own. It's a phenomenal mixer and it is a pain in the butt to get closed. So yeah, I mixed that and loved every second of it. So this was fantastic. Mixed those two together. Let me turn my phone off here. Let me tell you what Scentsy says about the Candied Cranberry Pecan. Classic cranberries and pecans are sweetened by a sugar cane and a ribbon of brandied plum. I would say they definitely hit the nail on the head with that. It's so good. And I have a couple more bars of this and I'm so happy I do because that is fantastic. Okay, on the same cranberry topic, so next month, November 2019, we have a scent, Snow Kissed Cranberry. That is going to be the scent of the month for November. Okay, let's talk. I love this scent. It is so pretty. I love this cranberry because I get a little bit of like an orange zest note to it as well. It's cranberry. It's like tart sweet cranberry. There's a little bit of like a green tree note to it. And then I get lemon zest, or sorry, not lemon, orange zest. It's really like cool and refreshing, and I really like it. I loved it when it was warming. However, crazy week. Crazy week. So for those of you who like really lighter scent, it's not necessarily light. It just didn't, it like completely futzed out after the first day. And when I'm talking about in terms of days, I am now at this point keeping my warmers on downstairs 24/7 because I'm pretty much home 24/7. We are sleeping downstairs now until Deuce can either get up the stairs or until whenever. We're downstairs a lot. So I have a lot more warmers going for a longer period of time than I was before. So now my upstairs warmers are the ones that are getting used a lot less. So, but this was just one, I don't even want to say a solid day. Like it wasn't even really a solid 24 hours. We'll give it 24 hours, but it was lovely when it first started warming, and then it futzed out very quickly. So if you're someone who likes to change out your wax every single day, this is going to be great for you. And if you love cranberry scents, definitely pick this one up. But if you like your scents to last as long as possible, this is probably not going to be for you. But I do really like it. For when it was warming, I did really like it. I love that like cranberry scent. Okay. I know I have talked about this before, but I have the best friends in the whole entire world. So I had a couple more friends pick up some or share their Very Perry pumpkin with me. So my friend Andrea and my friend Jackie picked up a couple of Very Perry pumpkin and they shared it with me. So I am so thankful because womp womp, our Very Perry pumpkin did not make it into the January 2020 Bring Back My Bar event. So sad face. So that makes me so sad. So I decided to have a pity party for myself and break out two of these bad boys and just savor every little bit of it. How did this not make it? Honestly, I would not warm this in January, but I would definitely add it into my club in January, that's for sure, and then just warm through this all fall long. It's so lovely. There's no spice to this, and that's what I love about this. Most pumpkin scents are pumpkin spice, and that's great. I love pumpkin spice, but this is just like a canned pumpkin with sweet pear, and it's just so good. So thank you to Andrea and Jackie who shared your Very Perry pumpkin bars with me. Now, I've been able to warm through what I can this season, and I think I'm gonna hang on to the bars that I have left over until next year. But I don't know, we'll see. We'll see if I can hold out, but I got through 2 bars of that and it was so lovely, so lovely. Speaking of pumpkin spice, there were like 2 warmers that I had that didn't have the Very Perry pumpkin in it. And so I wanted something that would obviously complement the Very Perry pumpkin that I had going throughout the rest of the house. So I did pumpkin roll, which is just a lovely bakery pumpkin spice scent. It's so good though. Man, that's good. So if you love yourself some pumpkin spice, pick up yourself pumpkin roll because that is so good. And then what I just popped into my warmers just a little bit ago was one of the new releases, Stroop Waffle Delight. This one I know I've already talked about before, but oh my goodness. This, it just rocks my world. It is crazy strong. I decided to, because I'm trying not to like make my husband suffocate when he comes home, I decided to mix in a couple of sugar cookie into some of the warmers, so it's not all Stroop Waffle Delight. Normally I go through 2 whole bars in all of my downstairs, so instead I did 1 whole bar of Stroop Waffle Delight, and in the other warmers I did sugar cookie just to kind of like mellow it out a little bit. But oh man, like I can still smell it like upstairs. It's so good. What I will say about this, it's crazy strong. I would say you get a solid, and I'm talking warmers on 24 hours a day. You don't turn them off. a solid, based on last time I warmed this is only the second time I've warmed this. Based on last time, I got a solid 2 days out of it. After the 2-day mark, you're like, bam, nothing. So I would still say that's good because this is crazy strong, crazy, crazy strong. And just when it decides it's done, it decides it's done. So I'm okay with it though, because it's so delicious. If I ever come into contact with a stroopwafel, I'm gonna bite it because this just smells so good. Like I just want to bite the bar. It's so good. Oh, it's so good. So that is it. That is what I have been getting through over the last week. It has been an amazing week. So thank you guys so much. Let me know what you have been getting through over the last week. If you have tried out some of the new releases, if you have tried out some of the new Jelly Belly collection, that is on my list to start next. So let me know what your thoughts are, what you have been warming, what you have been mixing if you've been doing some mixing. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.